Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're celebrating another massive win that proves what accuracy truly looks like. We're talking about Jellyjelly, and we're showing you the charts right now. We called the top of that move with precision, and the market delivered an incredible minus 30% dump. This is not a guess, this is a legitimate analysis. Calling a move without a clear historical level? That's simply not a legitimate analysis. Our analysis was based on a clear rising wedge structure that broke down at a key resistance zone. This is why you need to follow quality content only. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at our trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out.